Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has appointed its new executive members for the year 2025 to 2026. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Working President Khuraijam Athouba took oath as the new coordinator of Cocomi. During the oath-taking ceremony organized at Cocomi office, Imphal Surjit Kumar Kuman, Laikhuram Jayanta, Yenkokpam Dhiren, Pijam Shyamchan also took oath as the new Assistant Coordinator, Finance Assistant Coordinator Publicity, Assistant Coordinator Organization and General Administration, respectively, along with executive members Sanjit Saraisam, Laishram Romesh, KSH Romesh, Warepam II and Mayengbam Dhananjoy. Speaking at the ceremony, Khuraijam Athouba expressed gratitude for making him the new coordination after years of being a member of the organization. He also asserted that he, along with the new executive members, will strive towards tackling issues for the society. He added that they already made an agenda list and that they will soon convene a meeting with the Mayra Paibis and the public to act on the agenda list.
Haurupadagi Aisa, Sunday Leptana Cocomi, Pomiamo and Changerapani, and Agasi, Miamna, so what Pitana I have coordinator Gito, Ubinaba and Munda, Shinabibasi, I have given Yamna, Joba, Madiamna Aruba, Hiba Mamada Ibomu, Haiba Todang, Shinabibani and Isana Loje, Adubumasi, Lebaki Toropamimo and Hakimaki, and Numba, Koinona To, Puminagadoriba, Marum Pansing, Tongan Luptagi, Tabida, Mute Mayamasiga, Tana Tinaragayam, Pumpaba, Lebasi, Mamai, Tendo, to Topamba, Dunaba, Tabakra, Pangambra, Habadugi, Tanja, Dulonaba, Koyangam Tak to Honajage, have a Fonsima Hanutada, the Lomiam the Tanjage, Lakaduba and the Kichahi, Sidai, when a packet of Taboxing Day, Koya Hanba, Koy Executive Committee, Central Committee, Mipamacy, Pamla Matunga advisors in Tanarakanda, the list of agenda, Madi set Toruga Tamjare, Adu high agenda Singasi, Punba Committee, Sigi, Approval Yaurakanda, Lebang Miam, Club, Mayra Paibi, Tongan Ba, Pero Lekai Luchingo Sing, Yauna, Punna, Tana Tinarakanda, Packet Kadu with Tabok Singasi, Chapchaba, Waram Puram Mama, Yatok in the Bagitanga Patavadu, Levanamadu, two Budai offices, heck, Koi Paiba Hobuga, high agenda Singasi Kananogi, Koi Sem Sarge, Hydra, Offensima Tamjage.
Meanwhile, former coordinator Tokchom Somorendro explained that he was refrained from representing public voices due to the rules and regulation of the organization during his term. He added that he was concerned if making a statement might cause untoward incidents. He also emphasized that the CSOs of the state needed to understand the meaning of CSO and that the CSOs are there to voice opposition to any government wrongdoings. Tokchom Somorendro also urged the public representatives to rectify their wrongdoings first before coming out as a leader. He further alleged that the public are facing difficulties due to the wrongdoings of CSOs or politicians and urged them to do righteous activities.
Masigi Kunai Kanena Topida Manipur CSO Kudimansu, CSO Haibase, Habitamda, Government, Aramatroputanda, Asumbo, Tonga Namamadu, Wagadoni. Doctor Nabo Redaba, Doctor Namaman, putting the Nipun CSO Kange, politician Kange, Akoy Sum Credit Oxy. Aduma Damda, Akoy Kunai, Kadishim Topangani, not really Kunai, no Milikata, Manquia, we come to, Akoy Lera Avenue. Mashe quite Maruina, Lebak, Ghanaian Tonga, Shagi, Wajota Kabo, Tonga, Ishino, Mam, Akoina, Hana, Akoy Shahan, Shendoxi, Akoy Shendok, Shindokino. The part person, Shendo Pamido Kanawani, Akoy Ugadum, other Akoy. Akoy Hana Shendo Matinga, Miam, Koina, who do not set them Honasi, Natragadi Kunai, Milman Data, Maturan Kangaba, only he never did the Kanda, he never Madam Oregon City, I know I had it. Patre High Bogomenzi, they gave way BJP Hydra, BJP, Yaman Carla. Me, what a single person of the BJP doctor had a very dog saver. I know Hajan. To lay Raukara, Margit Katanaba. Mark Masataba Hamnaba, I don't know which law in the Kulay. She no more organic society is Mount Arabic.